Hello everybody, welcome to the show. It's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a video about the stimulus checks and my ideas on what to do with it. So let's jump right into it. So guys, we're all getting this money from this the government. It depends on your family size. Some people are getting more, some people are getting less. But the first thing you should guys do with the money is create a budget. Now, you really got to examine how your income is. If you have no income and this is your only income, you don't want to blow it. Like, I'm getting a lot of DMs about people who want to spend this money and try to flip it, and that's the only money they have. So please really analyze that. Newbie traders, usually, or investors usually lose their money. You don't want to be risking, food money, rent money on this stuff. So analyze your budget. How much is your income coming in? You still have a job? Is your job paying for this and that? Make sure your budget is detailed. I will link below on the other videos that I have made about budgets. So this will help you guys out, and especially about your savings and expenses. So we'll jump into the expenses portion right here, because you want to make sure that you're writing it all down to make sure you're not going to be blowing all that money on unneeded expenses, like gym memberships or your cell phone bill, or just things like that. You don't want to make sure you're paying and you're understanding what's going in and out. So we need to get to the assets and liabilities, because now you get all this upfront money, and a lot of people are feeling really, really rich, but they're confused about what are assets and liabilities. I have a link below about what they are, what is an asset, what's a liability. So please check that out. But for this video, you don't want to be spending this on liabilities. In a sense, if you spend it all on liabilities, essentially you're going to be in the same spot. So you really got to plan out your spending, because if you're feeling rich, it's only temporary. Because I tell you, like, what's killing a lot of people is that all these liabilities, all this debt's catching up, and there's no money coming in, and this debt's getting bigger and bigger. Especially if you miss a couple payments and your interest is building upon a higher principal amount. Now you're just losing even faster. Because being a slave to some of these credit card companies, or even mortgage company, or whatever's happening where your debt is crippling a lot of people. So understand, do a budget, figure out what to do with the money, make a plan, because investing some of this money and beating your credit card interest is pretty darn difficult for a lot of new traders, new investors, or new business owners. So I'll tell you, like, maybe it's better off to pay off the debt on the credit card, relieve yourself a lot more stress than adding a new stress of learning a new skill and trying to beat out the markets, because a lot of people don't. Many people do not beat the markets. So understand that where you are at financially and what's your skill level. If you have someone helping you or mentoring you, then that makes sense. Make a plan. So I just tell you, just think. Think about your plan, write it down, get together with someone who can help you out. So my company, Crown Trading, we can do consultation to help you guys out if you guys want to make a battle plan about what you guys want to do with the money, so you guys are making the smart path. And if you want to be a client and learn how to have the tools to jump into the markets without jumping in and losing money, then please contact me, hit me up, and we can talk about this and discuss what to do with this. Because I really don't want to see more people lose, but a lot of people don't have the financial literacy to use the money properly. They end up buying more video games or just entertaining themselves. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Check the other videos I linked in this video, and thank you guys for making it to the end. Have a nice day. I'll see you.